can see exactly how that could happen. And for me, a lost human civilization is the simplest and most elegant explanation for all of the anomalies. I have nothing against aliens, by the way. I mean, I think that the universe we live in is deeply mysterious, and I'm quite certain that it's full of intelligent life. The question is, do we see the fingerprints of intelligent aliens who have crossed interstellar space? Do we see those fingerprints in ancient and mysterious archaeological sites around the world? And I don't see them. It's been my privilege to spend 25 years exploring just about every intriguing and extraordinary ancient site in the world. And so far, I haven't seen anything that could only have been made by an alien culture that had the technology to cross interstellar space.
Right.
And an example I often give is that the Great Pyramid is an incredible monument, and it's often attributed to aliens by the ancient astronaut lobby. But actually, the Great Pyramid is almost perfectly, but not quite perfectly aligned to true north. It's 3/60ths of a single degree off true north. The sides of the Great Pyramid are almost exactly the same, but there are variations of up to 7 inches in the side lengths. In other words, there is error in the Great Pyramid. And I think if you have the technology to cross interstellar space and navigate your way to this little blue dot of planet Earth, and you somehow want to build a pyramid or involve the local population in building a pyramid, you would be sure that you would get your alignment to true north right, and you would be sure that you would get the side lengths of your monument absolutely right. So I think we're looking at absolute evidence of human error in the construction of the Great Pyramid. Nevertheless, it's incredible. It's an incredible piece of work. This is a monument with a 13-acre footprint. It weighs 6 million tons. It's 481 feet high. To align it to just within 3/60ths of a single degree of true north is astonishing and uncanny precision. Yeah. And I would say that it speaks of human abilities and the skills and knowledge of a lost civilization.